Who was you texting all night long? I couldn't even sleep, your phone going off. Who was it? Who were you texting?
It was just Ashley.
Why was she texting you at 2 in the morning? Your phone was going crazy. Why was she texting you so damn early? You need to tell her stop calling you, stop texting you so early. Nothing that important.
She was texting me about everything she's going through right now. She's really having a hard time, and I want to be there for her. Which reminds me that I'm going to go over there this weekend because she asked me to keep her company and to show my support that I'm there for her. Whatever she needs, she can call me. And so she has been, and she really needs me right now.
You've been gone more and more lately. What's that about?
What's with all the questions? What's all that about?
I'm not even about to get into it with you right now. I'm not. I don't have the energy to get into it with you right now about it. I just need some fresh air. I'm about to go walk the dog. I'll be back.
I miss you so much. I can't wait to see you this weekend. Yeah. Oh, I miss you so much. Do you like my outfit? I wore it just for you. Can't wait to see you.
Who were you on the phone with? Who were you on the phone with? I just saw you from the window. Who were you on the phone with?
A friend.
Who? Who was it? Who was this friend? Who?
Why does it matter?
Let me see your phone then. If you have nothing to hide, let me see your phone.
Why?
Because I don't trust you and you being sneaky and I just saw you from the window talking to somebody. So let me see that phone. What's the password?